edge, look in the dark. The promise we pledged is just us. Now they push us to the wire. They thought we failed, didn't know the spark needs the fire. Now let's unveil. Red gauge is climbing, no turning back. This is the final step, the last attack. We're past the point of prayer, beyond the line of rescue. The frequency is breaking through. My hand is on the trigger, breathing in the cold air. Say goodbye to light, yeah, let it fall. We're trading everything to win it all. Kill switch, hold the lever, watch the shadow shatter. Kill switch, cold red, nothing else matters. No more hiding, no mercy, just a static flash. We are the storm, turning everything to ash. Kill switch, hold the lever, watch the shadow shatter. Kill switch, cold red, nothing else matters. No more hiding, no mercy, just a static flash. We are the storm, turning everything to ash. Hey, lock down, no retreat. Hey, final heartbeat. Kill switch, drop the beat. Their language of fear means nothing when we speak in force. Every chain they bound us with just redirects the course. We feed on duty, though we're fueled by the cost. The humanity we gave up will never be lost. Check the coordinates, target locked, no error allowed. The system overload screams loud in the crowd. This is the glitch in the matrix they never foresaw. We are the exception, the breaking of their law. We're past the point of prayer, beyond the line of rescue. The power is rushing through. My hand is on the trigger, breathing in the cold air. Say goodbye to light, yeah, let it fall. We're trading everything to win it all. Kill switch, hold the lever, watch the shadow shatter. Kill switch, hold it, nothing else matters. No more hiding, no mercy, just a static flash. We are the storm, turning everything to ash. Kill switch, hold the lever, watch the shadow shatter. Kill switch, hold red, nothing else matters. No more hiding, no mercy, just a static flash. We are the storm, turning everything to ash. The sacrifice is written on our own white flags. There is no future when the present always drags. If we break, they win the war outside. No, not today. I will burn for this. I will become the void. This is the final voltage, the ultimate discharge.